He kissed her. She said, "Master."
Oh, dog.
Yeah. You ready?
Dog, don't hit it.
Alright, I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm taking a piss first on Brothers.
Ready for this fight, Mike?
Yeah. I'm ready to get blasted.
That's gonna follow me to the bathroom with the camera. Oh my god.
Dog, don't
I'll
take a
delete
picture.
it.
No, Brothers don't. Gotta go pee. Oh, yeah, baby. Ooh. Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. Come on, watch out, Matt, you fucking freak. Dog, it's not in there. It's in my pants. Dog, erase that shit.
Come on, I gotta pee.
Me too.
What's going on here?
Video of Mike's penis.
What's going on here? This is some sort of sick fucking child porn. Mike, get out of the bathroom.
I gotta
No,
go
if
pee.
you didn't pee that whole time,
This fucking
No,
dick that I'm holding,
out.
it hurts, man. I'm not fucking kidding around. I have to pee.
out.
I'm not kidding around. I gotta go pee.
That's how he pees. That's
Get
how
out of
you
here. I'm
pee.
not staying in my bathroom, dog. I'll fucking kill you. Dog, you can break the door. I don't care. I didn't mean.
We're not breaking the door. He's gonna stand there and hold the door instead of peeing. He's gonna.
Dog, I'm holding my dick shut.
Oh
Man,
shit.
fuck it. I'm just gonna piss right in the sink. For real, I'm gonna go pee in the sink. You think it's funny?
Get out of
fucking
here with
piss
me.
all over the place.
Get!
Alright, Carrie, if I pee all over the house, it's not my fault. It's this dickhead right here.
Go upstairs.
Fucking asshole.